In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fixed duration task in Microsoft Project. If you've ever needed a task to take exactly 3 days, no more, no less, regardless of how many people you assign, fixed duration is the setting that enforces that behavior. Here's how to set it up and what it means for your schedule. Start by opening your project and switching to a view that shows the task list. The Gantt chart works perfectly because it displays task names, durations, and the timeline side by side. This makes it easy to confirm changes as you go. Next, click once to select the task you want to control. You can apply this to a single task at a time. It's best used for time-boxed activities like training sessions, approval windows, or planned outages where the calendar duration shouldn't flex when resources change. Open the Task Information dialog. The quickest way is to double-click the task name. If you prefer the ribbon, with the task still selected, go to the Task tab and choose Information. Both routes open the same window. In the Task Information dialog, move to the Advanced tab. This tab houses the scheduling logic for the selected task. Find the task type dropdown and choose Fixed Duration. By doing this, you're telling Microsoft Project to keep the duration constant while letting work or assignment units recalculate instead. In other words, if you add or remove resources later, Project won't stretch or shrink the calendar length of the task. Right below, you'll see the Effort-Driven option. Leaving effort-driven on means that when you add resources, Project spreads the total work across them, which can reduce each person's work without changing the duration. If you don't want resource changes to redistribute work, uncheck effort-driven. This is handy when each assigned person must still do a full share, even though the task's duration is fixed. Click OK to apply your changes. Back in the Gantt chart, the task will keep its set duration, and any adjustments to resources will respect that fixed time frame. If you need to revisit the setting, just open Task Information again and review the Advanced tab. Remember, this change affects only the selected task, not your entire schedule. If you copy or create similar tasks later, they'll inherit whatever defaults your file is using, so repeat these steps for any activity that must stay time-boxed. That's it. With fixed duration in place, you'll maintain reliable time-boxed tasks that behave predictably as your team or workloads evolve.